Hi everyone, welcome to In Solidum Lawyers channel, where law and technology have deep conversations and sometimes even debate. Today we're diving into a new legal frontier that's closer than you think, robotic law.
Can a robot have rights or be held accountable for its actions? What happens if an algorithm decides to suspend your credit or give you a medical diagnosis and gets it wrong? No, this isn't a sci-fi movie, although it could pass as an Asimov script. It's 2025, Ecuador, and globally, artificial intelligence systems are already working in industries, hospitals, courtrooms, and public offices. Many are already operating autonomously without needing a human to press the button. That's where robotic law comes in. Not as a whim, but as a necessity. It's a legal field that merges the best of digital law, civil law, labor law, and projects it into the algorithm age. In this video, we'll answer three key questions. What is robotic law? Why is it urgent to regulate it in Ecuador? How does it affect us as citizens, companies, and legal professionals? If you're curious about the future of legal practice, stick around.
Robotic law is an interdisciplinary proposal that seeks to regulate the interaction between humans and intelligent autonomous systems, such as physical robots, virtual assistants, and learning-capable algorithms from a legal, ethical, and technical perspective. It's not just about whether a robot can sign a contract, but something deeper. Can an autonomous system be a legal subject? Can it bear responsibilities? What happens if it causes harm? On the international side, we already have precedent. The European Parliament proposed in 2017 the idea of electronic personality. In Ecuador, the Organic Law on Personal Data Protection already introduces topics like automated decision-making, but we still lack a specific framework to regulate independently acting robots. Robotic law isn't science fiction, it's legal science in progress.
Picture this. A government algorithm detects duplicate beneficiaries and suspends your pension. No one called, no one reviewed it. The machine made the decision. These scenarios are already real. In Ecuador, the Administrative and Criminal Code, COA and COIP, don't explicitly address the role of autonomous systems in public or private decision-making, nor do they define who is responsible if a robot causes damage, makes a medical error, or violates privacy rights. We live in a country that has embraced digital transformation, but like any leap in tech, it brings risks, algorithm bias, misuse of biometric data, and unsupervised decisions. We need legal reform, and we need it now, because if we don't regulate, what begins as innovation could end up violating rights.
For citizens, robotic law means demanding guarantees against algorithm decisions. You should be able to appeal, know who's responsible, and trust that your data is protected. For companies, it means understanding the risks of implementing AI systems without legal support. Got a bot making decisions? Then you need to know what happens if it messes up. And for us, as legal professionals, it's a wake-up call. It's not enough to master the civil code anymore. Now we need to understand how algorithms work, how AI is trained, and what legal limits apply. Does it sound challenging? Yes. Exciting? Absolutely. We're living in a turning point. Lawyers no longer deal only with people or corporations. Now we must also learn how to regulate non-human entities that think, act, and sometimes even learn on their own. At In Solidum Lawyers, we want to lead this conversation. We advocate for a robotic law that blends ethics, technology, and justice. One that not only protects humans, but also brings order to the digital ecosystem with future-focused vision. What do you think? Should robots have duties? Could they one day hold rights? Leave us your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to our channel, share this video with colleagues or students, and join us for more episodes where we explore the legal dilemmas of the 21st century. Follow us on social media. Reach out for talks, consulting, or strategic partnerships, because the future of law is already here. Until next time, and may the code be with you.